Hi, today I have an ABUS padlock for you guys. It's an ABUS 5550. I think it's 50mm. Small one, used one. I already picked a couple of different ABUS padlocks with different numbers, but never this one 5550. I will put all the ABUS padlocks here, all the models that I picked. And this one is a 5-pin lock. With an interesting beading, so very long, 2 shorts, very long, and the 5th one very short one. So it's pretty interesting pick. Sadly it's without, I think it's without security pins, and yeah, it's catching a bit, so but it's working as usual. It's a spring loaded mechanism, so probably can be shim. But yeah, let's pick it for now. That's our goal. So it wants, I think for this one I'm usually a lot of tension, and I will use this D4 diamond from made by Truckmaster 30, I think. It was sent to me by Jason Carlson, or no, Cameron Dunn. So yeah, let's start picking. 5 click. Let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nothing. Click from 5. 1 is binding. I think I overset 1. 2, click. 3, come on, 3. Click from 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click, and we are open. So yeah, so it's not returning this. So yeah, that was an ABUS 5550 padlock picked. It's relatively easy pick, but interesting bidding. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.